In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a page in Notion. Whether you're using Notion for work, school, or personal projects, sharing your pages with others can make a huge difference in collaboration and productivity. Let's dive right in and explore the simple steps you need to follow to share a Notion page with ease. First, you'll want to open the page you're planning to share. This initial step is straightforward but crucial, as it's important you're on the exact page you intend to share with others. Make sure you're logged into your Notion account and navigate through your workspace to find the specific page. Once you've opened it, you're ready to proceed. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Notion page. Here, you will see the Share button. Clicking on this button will open the Sharing Options menu. This button is your gateway to enabling other people to view or collaborate on your Notion page, so it's important to locate it accurately and click it to reveal the next set of options. Now you have a couple of decisions to make. In the Sharing menu, look for the toggle that says Share to Web. If you enable this option, your page will become public, allowing anyone with the link to view it. This is particularly useful if you want to share information widely, such as for a public project or a blog post. Alternatively, if you're looking to share the page with specific individuals, you'll want to use the option to invite others via email. Here, you simply enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the page with, allowing you to control exactly who receives access. The final step involves adjusting permissions to suit your needs. Once you decide how to share your page, it's crucial to set the appropriate access levels. Notion provides you with flexible permission settings, so take a moment to consider what level of access you want to offer. You can choose to grant viewing rights, commenting privileges, or full editing capabilities. Carefully set these permissions based on the level of collaboration you expect from your recipients. After you've made your selections, be sure to confirm your settings to finalize the sharing process. And there you have it. Sharing a page in Notion is as simple as that. As you become more familiar with these steps, sharing information and collaborating with your team or friends can become a seamless part of your routine. With practice, you'll find that Notion's sharing capabilities open up a world of possibilities for working together effectively.